Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Karrill DaDiva. Today I'm going to be doing a makeup tutorial, and as you can see I already have my brows done, so I'm just going to jump right into it. I'm going to start off by priming my face with my Garnier serum cream. Now I'm gonna go straight in with foundation, and the one I'm using today is by L'Oreal Paris, and it's in the shade N7. I'm using my finger to apply it onto my face, then I'm gonna use my wet beauty sponge to blend it out. Now I'm going to go ahead and apply some concealer, and this one is from Tarte Cosmetic. Before I blend out my concealer, I'm going to go ahead and use my Fenty contour stick to do some contour on my face, mainly on my cheekbones and my forehead. And I'm gonna go ahead and use that same wet sponge to blend it out. Now that my concealer has been sitting on my face for a little, I'm gonna go ahead and blend it all out. And to blend it out, I'm using the same wet sponge. I'm just using a different side from I used to apply the foundation and the contour. Here I'm applying a lighter shade concealer under my eyes, and then I'm gonna blend that out with my wet sponge again. I'm also gonna go ahead at the same time and apply my other shade concealer on my eyelids. Then I'm gonna blend it out so I could have a nice clean base for my eyeshadow. Alright, so now I'm going to go ahead and use my Huda Beauty setting powder to set everything. Now I'm going to go in with my Morphe bronzer and add a little bit under my chin, on my cheekbone, and also my forehead, right on top of that contour that I added earlier. I'm also applying some under my eyebrows going down to the side of my nose. This is my Shaska setting powder I'm using to, define my cheek a little bit, and I also added some under my eyes. I'm gonna start off my eyeshadow with this black one right here, and the palette I'm using is from Blend Bunny Cosmetic. I apply it on like I'm doing a wing and pull it all the way out. Then I'm gonna go back into the palette and use this brown one right here, and I'm gonna blend it right in on top of the black one that I just added. Now I'm gonna blend them into each other to prevent any harsh lines. I'm liking the way it's looking so far, so now I'm going to go in with this beige looking one, and I'm going to blend it going in towards the brown from my inner corner. So on top of the beige looking one that I just added, I'm going to go ahead and apply this shimmer one right here. So now I'm going to go in with my MAC Skin Finish, and I'm going to use my face brush to apply it all over my face. Now I'm going to go in with some blush, and I'm going to be using this orangey looking shade right here. The palette is from Juvia's Place. I'm gonna use this lip liner to line my lips, but I didn't catch it on camera, me lining it, so I'm just gonna jump right into lipstick. And the lipstick I'm using today is from NYX, of course. I can't remember quite well what shade this is, but if I find it, I'll leave it in the description box below. Now I'm gonna go ahead and set my face using my rose water from Maven Beauty. And that completes the look, you guys. I absolutely really love this look. This is my first time doing my eyeshadow like this, and it very much surprises me that I actually pulled it off, and I love it. I would love to know what you guys think about this look, so go on ahead and leave them comments down below. The hairstyle I'm wearing is from a previous video I posted recently. I will link it down below just in case you guys are interested. If you have any questions, please feel free to ask. I had so much fun doing my makeup today, and I really hope that you guys had as much fun watching me do it. If you find this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. I would really appreciate that. Also, if this is your first time on my channel, I would love it if you would subscribe and hit the notification bell so you will be notified whenever I post a new video. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye!